Hello there guys, I'm the Skinny English Prick. I'm wondering whether to continue Heavy Rain or not, because I'm not really enjoying it and I'm thinking of selling it, so you have 24 hours to decide, leave comments to vote whether you want me to continue or not. Also YouTube has been really trolling, saying it's going to end like at midnight today and then it's going to like carry on at like 2023, some crap like that, and Fatalzy Bastard's been saying he's gonna flipping quit YouTube and then go join Peace TV, like a Muslim channel. Not happening. So everyone's been trolling everyone. So yeah, it's been a pretty good day. Leave a comment saying how your April Fools has been. Goodbye.